motor needs a protection from drawing too much current. When the motor is overloaded, it draws more current than the rated, so it generates the heat inside the windings. So this heat, if not controlled, it destroys the windings resistance. That's where the overload relays come in. The overload relay is connected in series with the conductor and with the motor. It monitors the current flowing to the motor all the time. Inside the relay, there are two metallic strips are bonded together. So when access current flow through the metallic strip, the relay, it generates the heat, and the metal bend finally reaches its set point. The relay trips instantly. Then it opens the conduct, which would energize the conduct, and it drop out and disconnect the motor from the grid. So this relay will not reset immediately. It must be cooled down or prevent from switch on automatic. You set it on manual. If you set it on automatic, it will automatically switch on again and the motor will bend. So you set your relay in manual so that if overload happens, the motor will not switch on automatic.